Good day. Almost all users of Canon MF series printers experience problems with the scanner in Windows 10 and 11.
In most cases, after clicking Start Scan, the window does not pop up.
Canon has written a patch for the drivers. The link can be found in the video description. As you can see, there are other different patches. You can try these as well for different functions.
For the scanner, you need the patch. Patch for network scan, USB scan.
Tick the checkbox and download it.
Afterwards, open and install the patch and restart the computer. If the problem is with Windows, then this should help. If you have any questions, write them in the comments. Subscribe for more useful and interesting videos.